Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress as Nezuko Kamado in Dress to Impress. So if you want to bring the adorable and fierce powers of Nezuko and Demon Slayer to the DTI runway, you can just follow my guide in here because this look is perfect for cosplay or anime theme and will guarantee to win. Now let's just get started. So first, let me show you the hair that I use for the look. I'm using this wavy hair from the battle updates and also this one. And for this, I'm using a different color. Using this a little bit orange color right here. And here's the adjustment. Change the Z into 62 in position and rotate 52. And here for the muzzle accessory, I'm using this green color, and here is the adjustment. Change the scale into 37, rotate in here, and for the rotate, X45 and position Y27 and Z64. Now let's just head into the dressing room and put on the kimono from the culture update in here, culture items. This one, and use this soft pink color. Here's the hex code. And for the third one, I'm going to use this pink color in here. Next, go with white and red. And last one, use the same green color like the muzzle accessory. Like this. And now, still on this culture, I'm going to put on the sandals. Use the same soft pink color like the kimono. And put on the sleeves from this dress. So to go it into only sleeve, and for the sleeve use dark brown color. So here's the hex code that I'm going to use. You need to use this a lot for the outer. And next one, I'm going to use this top right here, and again use the dark brown color for all of the preview. And I'm going to also put on the sleeves from the currency items, still for the outer, so dark brown in color. And then I'm going to also put on the eyelashes like this. So when you're down, you can just go out. First, I'm going to put on this accessory on the head, do it into type 2 and use the soft pink color. And now I'm going to put on the outer. So I'm going to use the trench coat from the main lobby. Use the same dark brown color. And you are done. So this will be the look of Nezuko in DTI. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.